Hi all, I'm Pramod Gupta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Data My Passion. So in this video, we are going to see Python logical operator. So there are mainly three types of logical operator: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. So we are going to see them in detail with the help of code, right? So let's see the first AND operator, logical AND operator, right? So in order to demonstrate that, I am assigning value 10 to num1 variable, minus 20 to num2 variable, and here in the if condition I am just checking the first condition whether number 1 is greater than 0. So this is true, and this is second condition, num2 less than 0. This is again true. So this is true, and second condition is also true. So true and true. This is your logical operator. So I am combining these two operator logically. So this is first true, and this is also true. So true and true will be true. So if I execute this, you will get I am in logical block, right? If suppose any of the condition is not true, that is false, then the overall result will be false. So there could be four scenarios in two conditions. First one is true, second one is true, then the output will be true. First one is false, second one will be true, then output will be false. True and false, then output will be false, and false, output will be false, right? So in order to be true, your both condition has to be true. So in this scenario, we have the true, both conditions are true. That's why we are getting the output. If suppose in order to demonstrate you, I am making this num2 as positive, so this condition will become false, and hence your code should return this block, default block. So if I execute that, you see default block, right? So this is how logical AND operator works. Okay, so if it evaluate both the conditions, and then if both conditions are true, then only it gives you true. Then see logical OR operator, right? In case of logical OR, your one of the condition has to be true in order to be true. So if this is true or this is true, then result will be true. If this is false, this is true, result will be true. This is true, this is false, result will be true. If both are false, then only it will be false. Okay, so in OR operator, any of the condition has to be true in order to the overall result has to be true. Any of the condition has to be true. That's what logical OR operator, that's how it works, right? So if I demonstrate you, this is how you can see that since both of the condition, this is the first condition and this is the second condition. So this condition, the first condition is true, but the second condition is not true, but we are getting the output. So this is demonstration of that. Okay, then we have a third operator, that is NOT operator. It is just revert your I would say condition. Say for example, if your condition is true and if you put NOT in front of that, your condition will become false. So in this example, if you see, my first number is assigned to 10 and the second number is also assigned to 10. So this 10 plus 10 is 20, and I'm adding this to number here and I'm saying is greater than 20. It means that this condition is false actually. But since this condition is false, you are putting NOT in front of false condition, this overall condition become true, and hence you will able to see this print statement if I execute this. And this is what you are seeing, right? Similarly, for performing the NOT operator, you have another method. So you have an operator module, you can import an operator module, and there is NOT underscore method. Using that, you can apply logical NOT operation. So here I have given the condition as a parameter in NOT underscore function, and that's how we are getting the output. So I hope you understood Python logical operators. So we have covered AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator, and this is very useful in almost every code, I would say. If you write any conditional statement, you will find this logical operator very often. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. It will definitely help them out. And if you have any feedback or any comment, please write down in the comment section. Just let us know, just let me know your thought process, so that based upon that we can come up with another videos to solve that. Okay, so please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. We will definitely read that. Thanks a lot. and thanks for watching.